Welcome, today I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings into DOOGEE V20. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here this button, screen record. If you don't have this button here, tap pencil on the top. Then find this icon in this block, hold and drag to add, and choose this button, for example, and hold and drag to top. And for saving, tap done. Now when we add screen recorder button, tap it, and before start on the left side of this panel we got sound options. So if you see the microphone is blue, it's activate microphone sound option. If we tap one more time, this turn off microphone sound option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.